announced Wednesday no cuts to the interest rates, so buyers who have been waiting will have to make a decision. Additionally, new tariffs and a lack of immigrant workers will likely drive new home prices up and slow the finish dates for construction timelines. It's Friday, January 31st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Appraisers are being cautious with their valuations. Data shows that at least 10% of recent sales have failed appraisals, requiring price adjustments by sellers. With all current factors, sellers may need to brace for some changes in the market. The Baltimore metro region has 14.4% more inventory this year than last, while home prices are up 8.7% year over year. The Southern Maryland region has 15.9% more inventory for sale compared to last year, while home prices fell 5.7% from last year. The suburban region inventory has increased 24.74% year over year, while the prices rose 9.3% from last year. The mountain region prices are up 4.4% year over year, and inventory is up 23.40%. As more inventory hits the market, creating more selection for buyers, we will be monitoring the impact this has on prices. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, new listings to the market rose slightly for this week's report to 1,246. Coming soon inventory rose again this week to 1,032, a 19.8% increase. 1,155 homes went under contract this past week in 16 days. 686 homes sold this past week in 24 days at 99.2% list to sold ratio, falling off by 19.38%. Rentals fell this week to $2,708 for lease at $2,450 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 31st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.